Sayyid bin Musayyab's father radiyallahu anhu states, when Abu Talib's death neared, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to him while Abu Jahl and Abdullah bin Abi Umayyah bin Mughira were also present there. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O uncle, pronounce La ilaha illallah. There is no worthy of worship saves Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, so that I may witness for Islam in your favor. Abu Jahl and Abdullah bin Abi Umayyah thereupon said, O Abu Talib, are you repudiating the religion of your father Abdul Muttalib? Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam kept exhorting Abu Talib to pronounce the article of faith. However, the last words which Abu Talib uttered were, I am on my father Abdul Muttalib's religion, and refused to utter La ilaha illallah. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will keep seeking pardon for you until Allah Jalla Jalaluhu proscribes me from doing so. Thereupon Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed these words. Translation: It is not permissible for the Prophet and the Muslims to ask forgiveness for the associators, though they are their kins, after it had been made clear to them that they are men of hell. Surah Tawbah, verse 113. And this verse has also been revealed in Abu Talib's case. Translation: Undoubtedly, this is not that you can generate guidance in whomsoever you like on your own accord. Yes, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu creates guidance whosoever He wills, and He knows well who are the guided. Surah Al-Qasas, verse 56. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 131.